very authentic. Come on down here. First of all, thanks to all of you for helping us out. As you know, you can play our Cairo Marketplace crowd. So tell you what, how about a quick simple rehearsal? When I say action, just pretend to be a random crowd. Just be a crowd and we'll see how it looks. Ready, everybody? Action! Be a crowd! All right, cut! That's like a crowd at the DMV. Nobody really moved. Let's try something else. How about this? I'll say a single word. You guys overreact as loudly as humanly possible. Right now, you're all angry. Cut! Very nice. Happy! Cut! Try this. Terrified! Cut! How about confused? That's genius, sir. That's the best I've ever seen. That's very nice. All right, you all are on hot coals now. Very hot coals. That looks great. Now you're in a video. You're very talented. Look at you. Yeah. Everybody shimmy. Everybody shimmy. Let's turn around. Point up. Point down. Look at me and lean to your right. Lean to your right. You two are wrong. That's okay. That's fine. Hey, so you having a good time? Let's fix that. Come on down here. What's your name? Bailey, where are you from? Is Bailey from Raleigh, North Carolina? All right, let's hear for Bailey, everybody. Now, Bailey, against my better judgment, I'd like to give you your very own scene. You like that? That'll be fun. Nothing dangerous. We'll just call it very simply Bailey's Death Scene. So not a reoccurring role, Bailey. That's okay. What's going to happen is this. You will approach me with an imaginary knife. You can use mine. Oh, you got one. Oh, North Carolina. Sure you do. Okay, good. I'm going to shoot you with a place to start to give you the theme of the movie. When I do that, Bailey, it's your job to give all these people the most over-the-top, loudest, longest death scene ever. So when I first shoot you, don't just fall down dead right away. You got this whole area right around here to stagger around in intense pain. Play it all out that way as big as you can the whole time as you can, Bailey. Try to yell like you're in great agony. Let me hear you yell real loud right now. Very nice. At the very end, are you ready? Come back to this spot right here, die. And Bailey, when you die, do me a favor. Die softly. That's real concrete. Okay? Guys, when I shoot Bailey, it's your job to act upset like it's only one of your fast passes for the week. Alright? Now hold up your knife that you brought. Very nice. Now when I say action, approach me slowly. But first, you know what, Bailey? Do me a favor. Give me a menacing look. Yeah, not a seductive look. But thanks, Bailey. That means a lot. How about an angry look? Much better. All right, ready? Action! Here comes Bailey. Oh no! He's in! And he's gonna face out that way and yell real loud! And move wildly to entertain the crowd, Bailey! It looks like you're just hiding yourself. Wait, this is a poisonous dart. It doesn't go away. Here, there's another one for you. Where's the yelling we spoke of? Bailey, you're taking notes down. Apparently it's a 24-hour. Here we go. There they go. All right, now keep dying and come on over here. Turn on the GPS. That might help. Here you come. There's still no sound. This is far more disturbing than it should be. No, you got. There you go. One more. Now die for everybody, Bailey. Let's hear for Bailey, everybody. Come on back. Very nice job. Back in line. Thanks so much, Bailey. All right, guys, it's time to get your co-star. Welcome back to set. All right, get the phone again. Todd Moore, everybody. Again. Thank you. Handling King of our Karen Allen set up with the lovely and talented Mary Beth Ortiz. Let her hear. All right, guys, you're going to a marketplace. What do you normally do in a marketplace? You're shopping to buy things. Now, unbeknownst to Andy and Marion, the evil bad guys will be sneaking up from everywhere. So I tell you what, when I give you all a response tonight, careful what you get at. Ooh. Great. Guys, everybody give me a big loud ooh. That was neither big nor loud. This side, show them how it's done. Give me your line. Really big. Okay, guys, come on. Give me your line. Thank you, Carrie. That was fun for you. All right. Thumbs up, everybody. That means you're ready to work and pay attention, except for one guy who's just staring off like a lost third grader. Sir, you with me? Because everyone else can hear, and welcome back. All right. Turn around, guys. Follow Carrie up there. Have a great time. Boss.